Hello, and welcome back. Dr. Wigo here. Today, as promised for, I don't know, 6 weeks now, I think I've been talking about putting on the rock guards onto Stormtrooper. So today, we're going to put the rock guards, the ZL1 add-on rock guards, description, and below, there'll be a link. It may not work, but you'll know where to go. ZL1 add-ons. Anyway, we're going to put those on, well, at least the front. The back is way harder. You have to climb up, get inside the fender, and I'm not even sure I'll be able to film that with the angle. We'll see. You'll at least get to see the front one going on. And maybe we'll see. And then at the end, I'll have some news about the next week or two's videos, because I have to get my car in the shop, and so I won't have the car. But I came up with an idea that I think some of you may like, some things to talk about while I don't have the car to mess with. And by the way, and then when I get it back, I'll have all the stuff that I've ordered coming in. I've ordered way more stuff. There's way more stuff coming in, mods for the thing. So anyway, stick around. I'll be back in just a second. Well, for you a second. For me, I have to climb down on the ground and do stuff. But we'll get back to you in a minute. Okay. So here I am down on the ground, which, as I believe I told you, I don't like. But we're going to be working here. We're going to take off a little body piece here, and then we're going to use those fasteners, the screws, to mount this back on, and then, of course, the sticky tape to mount along here. And I have my little alcohol wipe to make sure that the sticky tape will have a good clean surface to adhere to. So let me just rub that on real good. Well, it looks pretty clean to me. Okay. So now I get to do what I love so much, which is lie down on the garage floor. So what I have in here are two, let's see, lefty-loosey. That's two. Now, we have to pry. There, that became less easy. Well, this came, okay. The screws may have been hard to get out, but these are much easier to get out than they were on the other side. Come on. Need you to let go. There. So this is what I took out. Now, this went here. Now, if we'll get this up, what we're going to do is, as you can see, this is going to replace this. See, like so. But in order to do that, we're going to need this piece here to go back through here. And then we're going to take this piece and put it back where it came from, down here at the bottom. And then we will just screw through the rock guard. See, mud flaps are only cool if you have a truck. Okay. Apparently I'm missing the spot. Let me see here. Oh, it's the... I'm going in the one above. There. Okay. So see, we put that in like that, where it came from, and then we put the other one here And then we're going to put this screw back into the one it came out of. And we're going to put this screw back in the one it came out of, but on the other side of the rock guard. So okay. It's not quite screwed all the way in yet, but I want to. I'm going to go ahead and peel off the sticky tape. There we go. Now, there. Peel off the sticky tape. You see? Get the sticky tape on there. And then finish tightening. And there we go. Now, those are the front rock guard. Yeah. So this has been going on a while. I started to work on, again, testing the rear, mounting the rears. You saw those things that I pulled out of there, right? Well, on the back, on the rears, those same kind of plugs will not pull through from the front side. You have to go in up under the fender and snap them off the ends, then squeeze them through, again, from inside the fender. I wasn't able to get even one of them off on the other side when I was practicing. So I think we're going to be done for now. So I'm sorry you didn't get to see the hull installed. I'm still going to try the rear down the road. But and I'll edit it down to be real short and I'll stick it in some other video. Okay, so that's it for today. For next week, again, I have a special treat for you where I'm going to bring in some stuff from my day job. By the way, you ever wondered why I was called Dr. Wigo? Well, it's because I have a PhD, and my PhD is in something that has something to do with analyzing companies and industries, and I'm going to use that knowledge to analyze the muscle car and car industry and talk about the future of the Charger, the Mustang, the Camaro, etc. So, join me next week. Have a good one. I will see you next time.